Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day today. Today is a nice weather, nice looking day, really blue sky. And here at General Mechanics, we are working on this 2007 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Beautiful truck, but it's got some rough idle problems and skipping and all that stuff. And I got a P0014 code. According to the book, this thing is the biggest cause of that code. So we're gonna replace the variable timing actuator. Okay, variable timing actuator solenoid. That's part we're gonna be working on today. This is a 4.2 engine. As you can see, it's gonna have a little struggle to come out of there. So according to what I can see, and without looking at the book or whatever, we're gonna have to remove or at least take a loose the power steering pump in order for the solenoid to be able to slide all the way out. It's a long part. So from looking at it, I can see we're gonna need a 3/8 ratchet to remove the belt, take the tension off the tensioner. You're gonna need that. Looking at the bolts holding the power steering pump, they look like to be a 13 millimeter. We're gonna need a socket for the 3/8 ratchet. We're gonna need a 10 millimeter socket to remove the bolt holding the solenoid. And of course, first thing we got to do is disconnect the battery. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative side. That's a 8 millimeter wrench socket, whatever you can use. So it's only gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 tools. Maybe get you a flat flat screwdriver. And I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try doing it without having to take the air cleaner box loose or whatever, and so we can work around. It's gonna be a little tight, but I'm gonna try doing it like that, so to save me a little work. But if that doesn't work, you're gonna see it during the video if we're gonna have to get to it or not. So let's get ready. We're gonna get some tools gathered and gonna get to work and get this thing rolling. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with that. All right, so we done got our tools. First thing we gotta do, disconnect the battery, okay? As I said, 8 millimeter wrench, that's all you need. Next step will be taking the belt loose. You're gonna go ahead and use the 3/8 wrench. Once you get the ratchet on place, you're gonna push down on it, okay? Push down forward. Take it loose on any pulley, whatever it is best for you. Just take it loose. After we have the belt loose, we are going to go ahead and take the power steering pump bolts loose, okay? I haven't verified that it's a 13, so we're gonna just check it right now. Yeah, it's a 13 millimeter bolt. It's 3 bolts on here. It's easy to get to, okay? I'm not gonna bring you too close right now. I'll show you right there in the beginning of the video where the bolts are. You can get to the bolts through the holes on the pulley itself, okay? Just find the turn the pulley until you find the access to the bolts on the power steering pump. You will get to them right there. Go ahead and pull it out. It failed, but we'll pick it up in a second. It's gotta be 3 bolts. I got it loose. That's the second one from the top down, but it's a little tricky to pull it out of the hole. Okay, you gotta grab it with the fingernails and it's gonna come out. That's the second bolt. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go to the last one on the bottom of the pump, and I'm gonna see if this works. Okay, if it doesn't work, well, we'll go ahead and take it all the way out. What I'm gonna try to do is just take it loose. The bolts are like this, okay, like this, like a little triangle. So we're gonna take the first two loose off completely out, and we're gonna take this one loose, the last one in the bottom, see if we can let the pump go down like that. If it doesn't work, well, don't worry, we'll go ahead and take it out. And doesn't seem like it's gonna work. So what we're gonna do, take it all the way out. Okay, take the bolt loose. Nah, it might work. Hold on, let me show you something right here real quick. You see what I did with the bolt loose enough? It seems like it's gonna give us enough space for this to slide right in front of the pump. So we're gonna try that. Okay, we're gonna leave the pump where it is right now. Just took the last bolt loose, and we're gonna go ahead and take the bolt that is holding the solenoid loose, and we're gonna try to slide it out. If that works, we're gonna be good, because we still got one bolt on the solenoid itself. So hold on a second with me, and that's what I'm missing. I'm missing a 10mm socket. Hold on one second, I'll be right back. Got me a 10. I got me a swivel 10, which is gonna give me a little better position right here. $10mm bolt holding the solenoid. This is why I said you may want to get a flat screwdriver to see about prying this thing out of there. Gonna try to get behind the little bracket. Once you break it loose, it should slide out. We're gonna see if this works. Gonna go ahead and loosen the bolt on the power steering pump a little bit more. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, got it out. And as you've seen, we already had the new one on hand. I'm gonna slide it in. What I'm gonna do is wet the O-ring a little bit with oil, so once it goes in, you know it's not gonna go in on a dry slot right there. So I'm gonna slide it or push it in. Okay, got it in place. We're gonna put everything back together the way we took it apart. Okay, and you got 3 bolts to put back together and 1 to tighten up a little bit. The one we left on the power steering pump, put the belt back on it, and you should be good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it right here real quick, and I'm gonna come back, show you when I'm already done with the process. Okay guys, you can see the solenoid is back in place. The power steering pump back in place. The belt is on it back in place, and the actual battery. So we got power. This is done. Okay, so we're gonna call this done, and hopefully we have no more problems out of it. Was a 2007 Trailblazer 4.2 engine, code P0014, VVT actuator solenoid acting up on it. So hopefully this information, this video is helpful to you. If it is, don't forget, leave thumbs up, like it, share it if you know somebody might need this information. Subscribe to the channel as we got more videos coming. And as always guys, thank you for watching, but have a blessed day. All right, we'll see you on the next one.